Hi, it's Ben here with Safe Drive Solutions, and today we're going to talk about how to pair a Viofo dash camera to an iPhone. So, first things first, we want to open up the app. So, we're going to go and open up the Viofo Dash Cam app. It says clear as day, hit connect camera. Then it instructs you to hit the Wi-Fi button. So we're going to go ahead and hit the Wi-Fi button.
Wi-Fi enabled.
Just like that, Wi-Fi is enabled. We're going to go here, connect to the camera.
Recording started.
We're going to go to the Wi-Fi. And we're going to find that the Viofo is going to show up here. We're going to enter the password in, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wi-Fi connected.
And just like that, we're connected. We're going to go back to the Viofo app. And just like that, we are connected. Anyways, if you have any other questions at all on how to connect to a Viofo dash cam or any other questions at all, period, regarding dash cameras, feel free to leave a comment down below. We are here to help. Thanks a lot.